In this video, I am going to give the demo for how to attend the online examinations or computer-based test. In most of the examination, a registration is done only by online, but the examination is conducted in offline mode. But in some examinations, such as IBPS, NPTEL, NET, JEE are conducted through computer-based test. This video will be helpful for the students how to attend the computer-based test in IBPS, that is Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. This window will display IBPS mock test. The system name, candidate name and subject name will be displayed in the screen. Type the username and password in the login prompt and click the sign in button. The username and password were already given by the invigilator. The instruction will appear in the next screen. Go through the instructions carefully. The instruction consists of duration, question palette, navigation to questions, answering the questions, and navigation to the sections. Click the next button. Here you select the default language. Now I just select the language as English and click the checkbox here and click the button which is named as I am ready to begin. The exam is started. The clock will be set at the server. The countdown timer in the top right corner of the screen will display the remaining time available for you to complete your examination. When the timer reaches 0, the exam will end by itself. You will not be required to end or submit your examination. Candidate name and photo will be appeared here. This is the section pan. In this pan, the sections are arranged one by one. By clicking those sections, we will enter into the appropriate section. But in the IBPS mock test, there is only one section which is named as a general awareness. There is no more sections available here. Suppose if you want to refer the instructions, then you just click the view instruction and you can read out those instructions. After reading those instructions, just close the instructions. But the clock is running, so after the starting your examination, you don't read out the instructions. This is question palette. There are 5 buttons in the question palette. Each button indicates the different states of the questions. That is, the first button, which is in green background, indicates that the number of questions you have answered. Now it indicates as 0 because I have not answered any question. The second button, which is in the red background, indicates that the number of questions you have not answered yet, but visited the question. Now it indicates as 1 because just now I entered the first question but not yet answered. The third button indicates the number of questions but not yet visited. Now it is 49 because I just visited only one question. The remaining question number 49 will be displayed here. The next button indicates the marked questions for review. That is, I couldn't answer the question but I am having some doubts. So afterwards I want to go through the question. And the last button indicates that answered and marked for review. That is, I answered the questions and also I am having some doubts. So afterwards I want to go through the questions. So this question will be considered for evaluation. Click the question number in the question palette to go to the numbered question directly. Suppose if you want to the question number 10, then you just click the button 10 in the question palette. The 10th question will be displayed here. There are totally 50 questions in the section which is named as General Awareness. By scrolling the vertical scroll bar, we will see the number of questions. To select your answer, click on the button of one of the options. To deselect your chosen answer, click on the button of the chosen option again or click the Clear Response button. To change your chosen answer, click on the button of another option. To save your answer, you must click on the Save and Next button. Here, the Save and Next button. To mark the question for review, click on the Mark for Review and Next button. If an answer is selected for a question that is marked for review, the answer will be considered for the evaluation. You click the questions one by one and select the options. After completing all those 50 questions, now the exam will end. But after the clock is over, the exam will end by itself. You will not be required to end or submit your examinations. Thank you.